Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put Volvo XC90 seats down. Start by unlocking the rear doors and removing loose cargo, then locate the seat release handles on the side and in the trunk. Fold headrests down where necessary to allow a flat surface. Pull the release strap or lever firmly while guiding the seat back forward. Reposition cushions or latches until the seat clicks into place and is secure. Begin with the second row by releasing the outer strap and sliding the seat forward to make room. Push the backrest down until it meets the seat base, then gently lower it onto the cargo floor. Check that the latch engages and the seat is flat and stable. Repeat for the middle and inner seats, folding them in sequence for a smooth, flat load area. Tidy straps and test stability before loading cargo. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation. Grab a pair of darn tough socks for unbeatable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for road trips and hauling gear in your XC90. They stay snug during loading and unloading and save you from replacing worn pairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Access the trunk and pull the third row release strap to fold each seat back forward. Lower the headrests first to avoid interference and create a flat plane. Push the seat backs firmly until you hear or feel the latch engage, ensuring the seats are secure. If equipped with a power fold option, press the button and monitor movement. Double-check for items trapped between cushions and verify the cargo floor is even.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.